Canaries, Gran Canaria, airport completely empty. Yes! Speargun's loaded!
To enter the airplane we had to do an PCR corona test 3 days in advance for the flight. In the airplane we had to wear masks all time, except when you want to eat. We had to download several apps to confirm that we are corona free and to fill in several forms. Here you can see the giant pit where brown coal is digged near to Cologne. When we entered Gran Canaria, we had to do a fever test and show all the forms we had to fill in, including the corona test. During the winter month you can expect air temperatures up to 22 degrees and sun hours up to 5 to 6 hours a day. Normally it rains 5 to 6 days a month. The northern part of the island is very green and the south is very volcanic. We found a very abandoned and beautiful beach where were good hunting conditions.
I shot this Calmar, even it was the smaller one. 57 centimeter. Beautiful animal. Look at this eye.
Okay, we caught this wonderful 57 centimeter calamar and this nice little bream, and we will do some calamari rings this evening.
Original Miri Speartag-Rezept. I will link you a receipt for the frying dough in the description of the video. There's nothing better than fresh fried squid rings right from the sea. After 2 days of sun the weather decreased and it started to rain and it went very foggy. So we decided to do some trip on the island and we went to the Rocco del Nueblo. Due to the fog, the atmosphere was very beautiful, very creepy, and the colors were very bright, as you can see on the video. I can really recommend to do some trip on the island and visit the Rocco del Nueblo when it's foggy. It was a beautiful trip, but pack in some good water clothes.
Completely wet. It's wonderful little cafe. But I'm wet up to my skin.
On the way back the wind picked up and we had to be very careful of dropping branches. On the evening we often did charcoal fire barbecue with fresh gambas from the market. You want to hear a German tongue twister? This fish was a ostatlantischer Trompetenfisch. As I watched under the stone to search for fish and octopus, I recognized this special crab. This little bugger is named lancet ghost crab and it is said that it pinches fishes with his lancet that he wears on his nose. In my opinion, spearfishing isn't all about hunting fish. It is about recognize and enjoy the beauty of the nature and all the colors and forms that it gives to you. This would be a perfect place to wait for bigger fish to appear, because next to this swarm fish, often bigger fish wait and hunt. This fish is called lizard fish. It stays on the ground and waits for a fish to swim by. It has many teeth in his mouth with which he is able to catch smaller fish. The flesh of this fish isn't very good, it is not that firm, but it is perfect for preparing soups, fish soups. Catch of today, 2 lizardfish. Look at the mouth. See the eye? You can see how fresh the fish is. Well, another lizardfish. To make a nice fish broth and a fish soup, I always cook out, after I filleted the fish, the bones and the heads, and afterwards I filter it through a sieve, and this gives the perfect fish soup. It was mandatory to wear face mask at open fields, and everybody stick to it. It can heal your body to see such colors in the winter time, when normally in Germany everything is grey.
Das ist völlig verrückt.
Patatas und ropa vieja de pulpo.
Often the weather changed in seconds.